guys. It's day 2 of day 3 of Vlogmas. And we're at the mall. Day 2 of the mall, day 3 of Vlogmas. I thought I was about to get a free chair massage. I thought the thing was going.
Y'all have an obsession with massage chairs.
No, we don't.
Yes, you do.
No, we don't.
Y'all find them at every store. Y'all went to like 5 in Kohl's. You got upset when other people were sitting in them. Yes, please.
Because those were ours.
And that lady.
We always sit right there. And that lady knew that we were just going to go see what our mom wanted. But no, she had to just go take our seat. And she knew. It's not as crowded in this mall as it was in the other mall. In the other mall, it was a whole bunch of people. Whole
Unless because
bunch.
it's Sunday and people are still in church or
Well, I'm glad they in church.
taking it easy.
Or at home taking it easy. Oh my gosh, my arm. Okay, there we go. There we go. There, mama. My left arm, with my left arm, it doesn't hurt because I don't use my left arm.
You got one bus.
Yeah. We should get some of that Asian, mama. We should get some of that Asian stuff. Let's get some of that Asian chicken.
I got some samples over there if you want to go. We want to Carson's.
Okay. Bye.
Sorry, go here.
Okay. I hate Carson's. Carson's is my least favorite. Carson's is my least favorite one. Thank you. There. That's really good. Hashtag loudest sneeze ever. We found the squishies. See? Right now we're just going to Carson's. We just went in Carson's and we saw the biggest bear ever. Look at it. And this bear,
Come help me. I want to take her picture.
okay, is $1,000.
You sit up here taking a picture.